Okay, so we've got 3 LED modules. They're all wired up. Got a 3.7 volt battery, LiPo battery. I've got a charging unit for the LiPo battery. So there you can see that's where it plugs into. I've soldered on a USB, micro USB connector to charge it, and the output voltage goes to, the V in and the ground through a switch to the Arduino Nano. So each of these will be connected to pins 9, 10 and 11, and the grounds will be going to the ground. The cables will go through this 3D printed thing here. They'll be glued in place there, and then these will be soldered to each of these. So this is the fritzing picture of the project. Here you can see that all the LEDs are connected in parallel and connected to pins 9, 10, 11. You can see the cables are connected to the battery and the charging unit, and from the charging unit to the Arduino. Got it with a switch on the negative side, but I've since discovered that's not the best way to do it, so I've changed that to the positive side. So there's one. There's the second one, and there's the third of the RGB LEDs. Good, in you go. Come on, like that. There we go. So that's how they'll go in a triangular pattern there. Now for the Arduino code. Firstly, it's declared that pins 9, 10, 11 are integers. I don't know why these are long, but that's the code I downloaded. I didn't write this myself. I'm not sure exactly where I got it from, but that's what they've done. Declared X as an integer also. This part assigns a random number between 0 and 254. That's for obviously the colours of the RGB. This makes X equal the random number. Then writes it to the pin 1, and then repeats this for pin 2 and 3, so you get the rolling random colours through the LEDs. Here I'm just gluing all the parts onto some 3D printed pieces, just temporarily, just to see it all working and in place. And here's the final project with the RGB LEDs fading from all the various different colours. I'll put this in a 3D printed cover. Hope you enjoy the project. Stay safe. Bye bye.